Hello, welcome to Travel World Online. First, the headlines. India, a key source market in tourism sector, said Haitham Mattar. Air India to launch Delhi to Gorakhpur services. Qatar Airways to celebrate travel festival. Now the news in detail. India is expected to continue grow as a key source market for Ras Al Khaimah, one of the 7 emirates that make up the United Arab Emirates, contributing significantly to its goal of achieving 1 million visitors by the end of 2018. The Ras Al Khaimah Tourism Development Authority revealed during its first visit to New Delhi today. India is currently the 4th largest inbound market for the Emirate after Germany, Russia and the UK. In 2016 and beyond, the Emirates Tourism Development Authority will be placing an increasing focus on attracting Indian travellers through strategically planned content, relevant tourism products and services, focused marketing and communications efforts, events and tailored hotel products. Ras Al Khaimah Tourism Manager Mr. Mohammad Qatar said the subcontinent is expected to be a big contributor to the Emirates' vision to attract 1 million visitors by the end of 2018. The Ras Al Khaimah Tourism Development Authority aims to promote attractions and events to encourage Indian travellers to lengthen their stay in the destination. Mr. Haitham Mattar, CEO Ras Al Khaimah Tourism Development Authority, said the plans of major developments, increasing visitor numbers and improving international awareness about the Emirate. Air India has announced plans to launch a new service linking Delhi with Gorakhpur, a city in Uttar Pradesh located close to the border with Nepal. Commencing on 15 January, the route will be operated 6 times a week using a 70-seat ATR turboprop aircraft. Flight A19809 will depart Delhi every day except Sunday 12:15 and arrive Gorakhpur at 14:15. The return flight A19810 will then take off at 14:45 and arrive back in Delhi at 16:45. Passengers travelling to and from Gorakhpur will be offered connections to a range of international destinations. This is the latest destination to be added by Air India and its Connecting India program, which aims to serve smaller regional cities. Other new services included are Mumbai Gwalior, Delhi Durgapur and Kolkata Durgapur. Qatar Airways has launched a first-of-its-kind travel festival offering travellers an exceptional choice of dream deals suited for a variety of travel needs. The Qatar Airways Travel Festival has something for everyone with exclusively designed packages including 2-for-1 companion premium offer and discounts of up to 40% off on all-inclusive economy class fares and much more. Privileged club members will earn triple bonus Q miles during the festival. The festival will be available for sale from today until January 17 for travel between January 19 to December 15, 2016. Offers are applicable on return airfares to more than 150 places, including Europe, the Middle East, Indian subcontinent, Asia Pacific, Africa and the Americas. Passengers may book online at QatarAirways.com or by visiting any QA sales office or appointed travel partners. Dr. Hugh Dunleavy, Chief Commercial Officer, Qatar Airways, said, "The festival is an amazing opportunity for travellers to choose the best deal for themselves among a variety of exclusively designed packages. At Qatar Airways, we aim to inspire travellers to go beyond the ordinary. We offer our customers a chance to go anywhere they dream and do it with the world's best airline," Dunleavy added. Thank you. Myself Neeraja Diwate. For more updates, keep watching Travel World Online.